a new side project. Yeah, how you like say projects. It's Radaxa X2L and the 2.6 2.7K screen, and this is the 3JS on Node-RED. I can select the palette and pick. I can log in on that HMI screen. I can select the URL load to the screen. I can select the settings of the screen. Now is scale 2.0. I can change 2.5. Okay, bam, the screen change automatically. I can define the network. The printer is not tested. I have the containers built in on this screen. It's Node-RED and the database manager. Okay, select the Node-RED first. This is the demo one, and second is this tab, the warehouse. It's the from Cubes React. With the actions, when I select the palette, on the Node-RED editor, I received the payload. The palette was picked. And this I must stick the screen on to the screen, the touch to the screen, touch panel to the screen. And go to the database. The first demo is the database on the Postgres with one table, and this is the data on this table. I test with USB drive connected to this board, remote control via VNC, and system to reboot. Let's try reboot. Radaxa screen. Okay. HMI loading to the app from this device. When the container starts with Node-RED, bam, we have our HMI visualization dashboard. Of course, I can select the external URL, and I define other different page. I can install on the Node-RED dashboard too and open on this theoretically not tested yet, but theoretically can work. Yeah, this is the Hemi on this screen. It's work on Debian Trixie.